Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry from a zero level. Begin by mastering the absolute basics. Focus on understanding what atoms are, how elements are organized on the periodic table, and the different types of chemical bonds. Grasping these core ideas, like ionic and covalent bonding, will provide a solid foundation for more complex topics. Don't rush this initial phase. It's crucial for future success. Once you have the basics down, move on to core concepts like stoichiometry. This involves balancing chemical equations and performing mole calculations, which are essential skills. Consistent practice is key. Work through many problems to solidify your knowledge. Don't hesitate to use various resources, including textbooks and online tutorials, to get different perspectives and explanations. With a strong grasp of core chemistry, you can explore more advanced areas. Dive into thermodynamics, kinetics, and chemical equilibrium to understand reaction rates and energy changes. Begin to learn about acid-base chemistry and the basics of organic chemistry, which is a vast field. Applying these concepts through practical examples and experiments will deepen your comprehension significantly. To truly master chemistry, continuous learning is vital. Regularly review earlier topics to keep the information fresh in your mind. Consider joining a study group or working with a tutor. Explaining concepts to others can greatly enhance your own understanding. Most importantly, maintain your curiosity and explore new branches of chemistry that spark your interest, making learning an ongoing adventure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.